Hello everybody, I'm going to show you in this video how to solve and fix this problem that you have on Netflix. First, open the settings of your mobile phone. Click at apps option right now and search for Netflix. Click on it like this. Scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache and back. Click at force stop, click OK. Click at battery, make it on optimized mode, go to Play Store or App Store, update Netflix if the update is available, restart here your phone now, and that's all. So don't forget to like and also subscribe and bye.